Good morning, Internet. I'm standing in the kitchen making my coffee. And all I can hear is those birds just chirping away in the house. So, I had to capture that. And it's starting to rain. It's sunny over there, and it's starting to rain here. So, alright, it's time to jump in the shower and get this day moving. Face! I remember the last time I actually fully shaved. Anybody tell me? It's been a while, that's for sure. Oh, and before I forget, I know it's Thursday, but because this video will be seen Friday, it'll be Sherry's birthday. So everybody, we'll leave a Twitter link. Go wish Sherry a happy birthday. She'll be in New York City, so bombard her Twitter with happy birthday wishes. Alright, time to go to work. I'm trying to dream up ways to maybe fix this road one of these days. They patched it with like that asphalt patch. I'm actually thinking about getting a couple bags of Quickcrete and concreting those spots that are broken up and holes like half the size of my car. I completely scrubbed my desk yesterday. That stupid thing keeps blowing dirt all over my desk table. Well, since last night's walk didn't bother me, and the walk going the other way always does, I'm actually trying a different way here at the mill. It is absolutely gorgeous out. I'm going to say it's getting close to 90 degrees again today, though. It's supposed to have kind of a heat wave this week, so that's alright. I got the AC in now, so I didn't fill in those holes, though. I got to do that. I got to find my bag of rags, stuff something in there real quick. Maybe tonight or over the weekend. And that day is going nice and smooth. It is a beautiful Thursday. So far, so good. Oh, 3 more days at Walmart, though. That's kind of... At least I get one of the days of the holiday off, Sunday. So... And don't know if my schedule is changing on Monday yet, if I'm going in during the day. I work 10 to 7 on Sunday, so... I don't know, might have a fire pit if the weather's nice Saturday night. I'm gonna get AJ. I don't know, Terry... I emailed her, but or texted her. I don't know if Terry might come over for fire pit or not, so... That'd be fun. Or just go out for another walk or something. Do I even want to know what critter's making that noise? Oh shit. Freaking goose gross away. Just chilling out. Think it's a live one. Could be a decoy. Right as I hit stop, yeah, my leg cramped. Actually, that stop there seemed to release it. Okay, I'm making a complete different path. I might actually like this one better. It's a little more scenic. A beautiful day is being overtaken by clouds. Kind of happy yesterday was as beautiful as it was. Today can be thunderstorms all at once. Okay then. Well, the other day I mentioned that Charles had tweeted back to me today. Kaylee Cuoco from Big Bang Theory, she put something up about music changes her mood, and I was like, well, music usually helps me clean or work around the house, and then I break into bad dancing and it all goes out the window, and she actually liked it, or her PR person did. I'm thinking some of these celebrities actually do their own Twitter account, though. I'm gonna think that in my head, and, smile for the rest of the day. It's nice when they actually recognize you, even if it is just, press of a button still. Other than that, it's been a pretty cool day. Too bad. Said the weather is starting to change. I'm thinking we could get some weather, and everybody's deciding to stop on the highway. Oh, goody. Let me know in the comments, though, if anybody didn't like, or if you did like AJ vlogging yesterday. I thought he doesn't know what he's doing. He's just walking along. But it's neat to get a different point of view once in a while. Okay, maybe not of me, but kind of interesting. I might let him go out for walks like that every once in a while, since it's not that hard to put on him. Yeah, they're asking everybody how they're doing with their whole health thing. I'm like, yeah, I'm eating healthier. I really haven't changed what I've been doing. But I did that walk today, was 30 minutes. It was a little bit painful. I got through it. I like going that way, especially coming back. It seemed like the other road was actually quicker. I don't know why. I was thinking about different things, and sometimes you can lose some time with thought. But I got my 30 minutes of exercise in one fell swoop. Thursday night, don't know how many people we have tonight. Maybe I'll get some more exercise running stuff out to the floor. when they start the shift. That'd be nice. And look, it's a Sherry car. I don't think I told you guys, she got rear-ended the other day when she was in traffic. They were done with it today. Well, it never rained, and it is still beautiful out. Can't complain here. Just kidding. That's the computer screen. It's because I am home. Thank goodness. I am starving, so I'm throwing one of my grillers on. But outside is just making so much noise. I know I opened with birds this morning. I'm going to close with crickets. But before I do, I want to say thank you very much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thumb up if you like today's video. And I will see you tomorrow. Good night.
Hold me close and catch your breath now, 'cause I feel